Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your survivor.io application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your survivor.io application on your Android device, firstly go ahead and launch open your Play Store. On the search box at the top, type in survivor.io and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Simply tap on Insta button right next to the application to begin the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your survivor.io application on your Android device quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.